All right, this next section here covers what you do when you multiply and divide integers. So a reminder that integers are numbers that have a positive or a negative sign. So when you multiply or divide, or when doing this, you multiply or divide as usual. So don't worry about what the numbers are, but instead focus on the sign. So here's a rule. Actually, you know what? Let's do it this way. If the signs are the same, make the answer positive. So let's do an example here. An example would be if you have -1. Actually, yeah, we already know what +1 times +1 is. Let's do -1 times -2. You'll then get an answer that is +2. Another, that would be the example there. Now, if the signs are different, then it'll be a negative sign. I'll make the answer negative. So an example of this would be -1 times +2, then the answer is going to be -2. Or if it's 3 times -4, put a parentheses there, then the answer is going to be -12. All right, so these are the answers that you're going to get based on the different signs, right? So if the signs are the same, then the answer is going to be positive. If the signs are different, then the answer is going to be negative. Now, let's do one more example. So for multiple numbers, go left to right. I'm just saying this in case you have something like, so let's do an example of 12 divided by -4, and I'll put that in parentheses, times 27. All right, so then I will have 12 divided by -4 first, and if I want to add that little loop, that would remind me what I'm doing right now, but you don't have to necessarily have that. So 12 divided by -4, well, 12 divided by 4 is 3, and because it's different symbols, then it's going to be -3 times 27. So now I'm going to do -3 times 27, and because the signs are different, then it is going to be 681, and I'm going to make it a negative, and that's going to be my answer there. Okay. So yeah, just always go from left to right, following the multiplication and division. And that is what we are going to focus on